Can I drive commercially pending a DUI case in the state of Illinois?
So if you're driving commercially because let's assume that you had a CDL, that suspension of driving privileges is going to be based on the arrest. So where it's a little different is your driving privileges under a CDL should be theoretically suspended after that arrest. That's different in Illinois than a non-CDL holder, because at that point in time, they're given a notice of statutory summary suspension, which occurs 46 days after the arrest. So the question is, you may have some what I would call leeway or allowable time to drive as a private non-CDL holder before that you receive your suspension date. Not so with a CDL.
Let's say I'm a CDL driver. What happens to my job after a DUI in the state of Illinois?
Yeah, that's one of the most critical questions that we get calls for is, I am an over-the-road truck driver. I operate heavy machinery, and I'm required to hold this type of license. And oftentimes it's a pretty unforgiving process. That's why it's important to hire somebody that understands the nuances and has the ability to really pursue a vigorous defense of DUIs by CDL holders, because the collateral consequences of not having a CDL, if that is your main source of employment or what have you, can be critical.